Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see doesn't feel like a vacuum. It feels like intelligence on your floor. These new AI vacuum cleaners of 2026 don't just clean, they think, they learn, and they make decisions in real time. They recognize rooms, avoid messes before you even see them, and adapt their cleaning like a human would, only faster and smarter. If you've ever wondered whether smart home tech is actually worth it, this is exactly what you've been looking for. The designs, the features, the technology, everything here is on another level. Watch closely, because once you see what these AI vacuums can really do, you'll never look at cleaning the same way again. Number 1. Introducing the Roborock Saros Rover, a new kind of AI vacuum cleaner that feels less like an appliance and more like a futuristic controller for your home. This isn't just something that moves around and cleans, it actively understands your space, responds to real-world changes, and adjusts its behavior in real time. Think of it as a wearable smart mouse for your floors, navigating with precision, control, and intelligence that makes cleaning feel almost hands-free. The Saros Rover uses advanced sensors and AI mapping to read your home like a digital layout, choosing the smartest path, avoiding obstacles naturally, and shifting power exactly where it's needed. Whether it's daily dust, pet hair, or high-traffic areas, it reacts instantly. No micromanaging, no guesswork. In 2026, this kind of tech isn't about convenience alone. It's about control and efficiency, letting your home work with you instead of against you. This is next-gen cleaning that fits into a smarter lifestyle, and once you see how it performs, it's hard to imagine going back to anything else. Number 2. The Dreame Cyber X, a robot vacuum that behaves more like a futuristic controller than a cleaning device. Powered by its bionic quad-track system, it can intelligently climb stairs, adapt to changing surfaces, and move with the precision of a wearable smart mouse guiding your entire home. It reads its environment in real time, maintains balance and control, and handles spaces most robot vacuums simply can't. This is next-gen cleaning built for real homes in 2026, and once you see how smoothly it operates, there's no going back. Number 3. Meet a cleaner that moves with the confidence of a precision tool, not a typical robot. The DJI ROMO series brings DJI's signature control and navigation into home cleaning, turning your floors into a space it understands and commands. It glides through rooms like a wearable smart mouse, responding smoothly to obstacles, edges, and surface changes without hesitation. This isn't random movement, it's controlled, intentional cleaning. ROMO uses advanced sensors and real-time mapping to act like a futuristic controller for your home, adjusting its path and power based on how your space is actually used. From tight corners to open living areas, it maintains balance, accuracy, and consistency, making everyday cleaning feel automated but intelligent. In 2026, this is what next-gen home tech looks like: quietly powerful, reliable, and built around smart control. And once you see how naturally it works, it's hard to imagine cleaning any other way. Number 4. Introducing the MOVA Global MOVA Z60 Ultra, a smart cleaner that feels more like a futuristic controller than a traditional vacuum. It moves through your home with the precision of a wearable smart mouse, reading every room, edge, and surface in real time. Instead of random passes, it makes calculated decisions: where to clean deeper, where to move faster, and how to avoid obstacles smoothly. The Z60 Ultra combines advanced AI mapping with intelligent suction and mopping control, adapting instantly to carpets, hard floors, and high-traffic areas. It understands how your space is actually used, adjusting its cleaning style like a next-gen device responding to live input. In a 2026 smart home, this kind of tech isn't about pressing buttons, it's about effortless control and reliable performance happening quietly in the background. This is where home cleaning is headed, and once you see how naturally it works, it's hard to go back to anything less. Number 5. Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11, a smart vacuum that operates more like a futuristic controller than a household appliance. It moves through your home with the precision of a wearable smart mouse, constantly sensing its surroundings and adjusting its path in real time. Every turn feels intentional, every pass calculated, as it reads rooms, avoids obstacles naturally, and stays in control across different surfaces. The DEEBOT X11 combines advanced AI navigation with powerful cleaning performance, switching smoothly between carpets and hard floors while handling daily dust, pet hair, and high-traffic areas with ease. Instead of relying on fixed routines, it reacts to how your space is actually used, making it a true next-gen solution for modern homes. In 2026, smart cleaning is about intelligence and control, not just automation, and this is exactly where things are headed. Once you see how naturally it works, it's hard to go back to anything less. Number 6. Robotin R2 changes the way carpets are cleaned by treating them like an interactive surface, not just another floor type. This isn't a general-purpose robot vacuum. It's a focused next-gen machine designed to work carpets with the precision of a futuristic controller. As it moves, it behaves like a wearable smart mouse, reading carpet depth, texture, and resistance in real time, then adjusting its movement and pressure instantly. Instead of gliding over carpet, the R2 actively engages with it, targeting embedded dust, pet hair, and high-traffic buildup where traditional robots usually fall short. Its AI-driven navigation keeps every pass controlled and deliberate, making sure no area is rushed or missed. Whether it's a living room, office space, or thick pile carpet, the R2 adapts its cleaning style based on how the surface responds. Looking ahead to 2026, this is what smart home tech starts to look like: specialized, intelligent devices that don't try to do everything, but do one job exceptionally well. And for anyone serious about carpet care, this is the kind of innovation that finally makes sense. Number 7. Meet the Xiaomi Robot X10, a smart cleaner designed to move with control, not guesswork. It operates like a wearable smart mouse for your home, smoothly guiding itself across rooms while constantly reading its surroundings. Every turn and adjustment feels deliberate as it maps your space in real time and avoids obstacles without slowing down. The X10 adapts easily between hard floors and carpets, adjusting suction and movement based on where it is and how the space is used. Instead of following fixed routines, it responds like a futuristic controller, making quick decisions to keep cleaning efficient and consistent. In 2026, this kind of smart automation is about balance, power, precision, and reliability working together. And once you see how naturally it fits into everyday life, it's hard to imagine cleaning any other way. Thanks for watching. Which one would you choose? Like, subscribe, and comment for more smart tech and future gadgets.